Welcome guys, welcome to our channel Sports and Life. Today we are going to do post-match review of Karnataka versus Tamil Nadu final. What a thriller match it was. Both the team coming to strengths. Karnataka had individual brilliance from Manish Pandey or any of the best batsmen. I have told it in pre-match. Please go and have a look into that before coming into this. And Vijay Shankar as a captain, he was performing really well. As a team, they were performing really well. There are few X Factor players like Shah Rukh Khan and Mohammad. So these were the expected players. So definitely both teams came as these two teams are the best teams in Syed Mustaq Ali tournament, and both of them came to finals. Manish Pandey always had a winning record in finals. Out of six finals which he had played till now, he had won all the finals. So but in this particular final, he went with more number of bowlers and less number of batsmen. So initially, Karnataka in the second over itself, they lost one of their main batsmen, who is Roham Kadam, for 0 runs. So excellent over by Sai Kishore. So Karnataka were in rebuilding phase from the start of the match itself. A big match like Karnataka versus Tamil Nadu, Karnataka were on back foot, and later they lost one more wicket in Karun Nair. The unfortunate thing is that the next ball itself, even Manish Pandey was out. So for 32, there was 3 wickets for only 5 overs. Karnataka having only taken 4 batsmen and a wicket keeper, and rest all were bowlers or bowling all rounders. So this was really tough situation for Karnataka. Now the young Sharath and Manohar had to build a long innings. So oh, later down the line they were building a decent innings. If you want to see 557 for 9 overs is pretty decent. And coming to bowling, you can see that Sai Kishore has been performing really well. In 3 overs he has given out only 3 runs, taking 2 of the crucial wickets of Karnataka. Later down the line, even in the bowling, the captain of Tamil Nadu gave his best bowler T Natarajan, but T Natarajan was coming from an injury. So coming from an injury, definitely it's really tough for any of the bowler, especially fast bowler, and he has been in injury for a long time. So he replaced match man of the match Sarvana Kumar from Coimbatore. So this guy was bowling really well, but he was replaced by an Indian bowler. So somewhat it is answerable by the management. So Karun Nair and Manish Pandey, after falling out quickly, T Natarajan was bowling to youngsters, but they cope up really well with 12 overs having 78 runs. And later down the line, there was brute hitting by the best batsman of SMAC, that's Abhinav Manohar. So he had been performing really well throughout the season. His strike rate is around 150 and above in almost all the matches. So seeing that he might be bid for any of the IPL teams. In the other side, the BR Sharath was giving good support to him, but at last BR Sharath was out for Sai Kishore again. Sai Kishore again was bowling such a beautiful spell. Um, this made Karnataka again go into the shell when they were really increasing the run rate. By 15 overs, Karnataka was 96 for 4, and they were looking for getting momentum, which tried to build with a 4 hit by Monohar, but later next ball itself Monohar was out, so Karnataka again lost the momentum. But the gameplay by Praveen Dubey, who was a bowling all-rounder, has been really good. He was playing for Delhi Capitals, as you all know. He played the finals for Delhi Capital. This guy tried to increase the run rate along with the Suchit, so those two partnerships were really good. If you can see over here, he tried to smash a lot of boundaries, and Karnataka at last came to a decent uh, first inning score, that is 151, which is said to be very small. So for a good chasing team like Tamil Nadu, this has been really small. So man of the match performance which was given by Sai Kishore. 4 overs, 12 runs, 3 wickets. This can win a match anywhere in the world. So he was bowling with lot of confidence today. And the Indian star Yorker King has been given 4 overs, 44 runs, and 1 wicket. This was not expected from him. Anyway, Sanjay Yadav and Sandeep Warrier gave them good support. Along with that, Murugan Ashwin also bowled really well, but he was expensive in one of his over. So the best bowler and the best spell which I could see in Syed Mustaq Ali was this one. So coming to their batting, in batting, Hari Nishant was attacking Suchit like anything, and also Karyappa. He hit 2-6 and a boundary. So I thought the match will be over very soon. Jagdishwaran was not finding his touch. Along with that, Sai Sundar also was struggling for his strokes. So once the Hari Nishant became run out, which was really bad call from both of the batsmen. They have been playing in Coimbatore from under 13, still they are communicating so badly. That's really not acceptable. So they started really well. Along with that, once Sai Kishore was out for Karun Nair, the captain who had 90 average in this particular tournament came in, and he was also not able to find the touch. So in the bowling perspective, the people who had given a lot of runs tried to pull back things later down. Most of around 12 overs they were having only current run rate as 6. In this particular situation, both the teams were equal, and both the teams were competing who can overtake whom in the race. So most of the commentators were telling Karnataka, and most of the Karnataka fans were really disappointed. Please don't tell Karnataka, it is Karnataka. I call you by some other name that will be not good for you. So it's better you call Karnataka. And you always know Manish Pandey has been really good captain. He has a very good win percentage, uh, maybe the highest percentage. I think the only person who can compete with him is Dinesh Karthik. Apart from that, Manish Pandey is the excellent one of the excellent captains. He maneuvered the bowlers like anything today as well. So you can see the graphs over here. Most of the graphs look the same. Both the teams were almost the same, but they had wickets in this hand. But the over which changed everything was KC Karyappa over. I have been always telling, if you want, please do go and review in all my videos of SMAT. I have been telling that KC Karyappa deserves a IPL contract. The way he is bowling is like awesome. He's the best spinner and best uh, bowler in even in Karnataka team. Here, I think there are only two bowler who are mystery spinners. So he has been a mystery uh, to most of the batsmen this time. So he got two wickets who were really set in back-to-back balls. Along with that, throughout the over, he gave only 2 runs. So now 55 of 24, which was really tough. Sanjay Yadav also departs pretty early now. The hard-hitting batsman Shahrukh Khan, and as well as the in the other end Mohammad Azharuddin, Mohammad had Mohammad had come in. So both are pretty hard-hitting batsmen. So we all know about Shahrukh Khan. He is called Pollard of India by Anil Kumble. So he had a very good chance. Along with that, Mohammad was not striking really well. Later, the in 2 hours, we Tamil Nadu had around 30 runs, which was achievable if there is good striking. And Shah Rukh Khan, whenever he got chance, he striked really well. Last over there was 16 runs. So at this particular point of time, Shah Rukh Khan in the last over, was edged. He had edged the keeper once, but I personally think it was out. And in next ball, that was given a wide. And next ball, the ball touched his pad. That was given a wide. 2 runs was stolen from Karnataka. In in the last ball, they needed 5 runs. So apart from that, Karnataka had given lot of extras. So they needed 5 runs, and Shah Rukh Khan hit a six. So heartbreaking for Karnataka. I think umpire were not judging properly. That's one thing we need to improve quality of umpiring in SMAT. So definitely Karnataka has lost, but they have entertained throughout the tournament. They have been a team to beat. So along with that, congrats for Tamil Nadu who have really won the SMAT. And definitely looking at the batting card, most of the batsmen were not striking really well. Only Hari Nishant and Shah Rukh Khan striked really well, but Shah Rukh Khan did a very excellent job. Along with that, coming to bowling, most of the bowlers have been bowling well.